Alright guys, we got a 1968 Chrysler Newport. Got a big block in it, open headers, because we're about to put this system on it. A TTI performance exhaust and headers. There's the part number. It's made for that car. But that's what this car sounds like with open headers. And it won't stay running. So with open headers, this is what it sounds. That's the sound that that's what it sounds like with open headers, guys. So we're going to install this TTI performance exhaust and headers kit. He already put the headers on for us, and we're going to run the rest of the system. All right, guys, so we showed you what it sounded like with open headers. 1968 Chrysler Newport. Look at that. Custom motor, all that stuff. Big block. Long tube headers. Right there. And right there. And then a custom 3-inch system all the way back with a custom H pipe in the middle, right there. Then it's got 2 DYNOMAX mufflers there, and there it came with the kit. And then custom 3-inch tailpipes on each side, there and there. And 2 turn downs, there and there. And there's the part number on that, or the name of the system, right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm kidding, man. Sounds a lot better. That's not bad at all. Weird sound decibels. Bad at all. You can tell it's built. I like it. But she looks good. You don't find these every day, man. It's a completely different vehicle than you can think of. Good. Not bad at all. He's gonna fix that bumper and then tuck those tips in more. Let you guys hear on the inside. There's that big motor. Look at that. It's really nice. He's still working on it, but got a Holly XP on it. That's really nice all the way around. Long tube headers, injection, fuel system. Not bad.